We are here basically as part of the sensitization workshops which are being carried out by the National Construction Authority for the National Building Code 2024. This is a building code which came into effect to replace the 1968 code so as to better manage the built environment, and it's the responsibility of NCA. So basically the code was published on 1st March 2024, and it came into effect on 1st March 2025. So NCA has started the sensitization aspect to sensitize the participants in the built environment, contractors, the engineers, the professionals, the general public about the new building code. So we have started the first phase, which started on 10th of March in Nairobi. Now this is the first phase we are now doing now. This is the second week. So we are covering the first 14 counties. Then we'll make sure that we roll out to all the 47 counties. Basically, that's what we are doing now. This is the day for the sensitization forum in Mombasa County. The code is an improvement from the previous one. When we got independence, we adopted the British system. In 1968, under the local government, we just adopted what we had that time. That one was very prescriptive in the sense that it even identifies the material you're using, the construction material. It was very limited. But this one now is a more sustainable, environmentally friendly way of doing construction, so that the materials which are used, so long as you can prove that that material meets the required standards, then you can innovate. So it allows the innovation in the built environment. It allows for safety, for sustainability, in the sense that we take into account the issue of climate change. If you have a structure, then you can make use of the available resources in terms of lighting and all that without having to go into the system of you have to always provide the electrical lights and all that. So it's a sustainable way of doing construction. It's a better of managing the construction right from the beginning to the end, so that we also take care of the aspects of the disasters we have been having in the building environment.